Hey guys, welcome back to Kala Poshana. In today's video, I'm going to show how to paint on this mat. Here, I hand drew some pitchwise style designs. If you're a beginner, you can always print the design you like and cut it out and use that to trace. These mats are made with straws, so they have small holes in between. Before you start painting on these mats, cover the floor with plastic bags using painter's tape. Later, tape the mat to the plastic bags. Using painter's tape, attach the mat to the plastic sheets. Make sure you don't have any folds when you are attaching the mat. This is how I'm gonna trace. First, I'm gonna trace this side and then just flip it around and do the tracing on the other side. Very easy, just fill in the colors. Here I picked up these two lines and I'm gonna draw straight line using green paint. You have to do back and forth stroke on these mats because they have straws and they have gaps.
Here is the final reveal. It looks amazing. Comment and let me know how you liked it.